ang Pilipinas sa pagsusunod ng international law. Rather, pagwagiin natin ito. Pero kailangan ng kolektibo, consensus, at strong call out laban sa China. Kung hindi, tutuloy-tuloy lang ang China. Which goes also to what they're doing in the West Philippine Sea. That is to be expected because this is a struggle that we are struggling against a powerful adversary. So gagawin nila at gagawin nila. Ngayon, sasabihin nyo, what do we do against it? That's what we're working here. And it will take time. Definitely, it will take time. The dynamic changes. But we do not want to be constrained by definitive statements na hindi na akma